More than 6 million Americans are living with the disease, and according to a recent California Department of Public Health and Alzheimer's Association report, the number of people living with the disease in our state is projected to double by 2040. This will not only impact a significant portion of our population, but more caregivers will have to take on a tough role. Today, I want you to meet Teresa Mandela of Stockton.
Teresa Mandela and her husband Frank have been married for 40 years. 11 years ago, he was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease.
I took care of him at home for 7 years. And 4 years ago, just through behavior changes where I felt my caregiving skills weren't up to par, I transitioned Frank to a memory care community here in Stockton.
She says the beginning of the pandemic was especially hard. For 2 months, she couldn't see Frank at all. Then, only outside visits were allowed.
Near the end of the year of 2020, he really was losing the mobility to walk. He was being brought out to the fence with caregiver assistance. In January, he really never got out of the wheelchair again. And I attribute that to just the ability not walking as much as we both did. The folks, the family members, the residents were like my second family. And so that's been torn away, not only from my husband, but just those relationships that had been built over 4 years. It sort of created a depression in myself.
Caregiving is a difficult mission to tackle.
In so many ways, the Alzheimer's Association has tried to really look at Alzheimer's as a public health issue. By educating the population at all ages, we think that we'll do a better job of ensuring that individuals living with the disease get the care that they need, that caregivers are supported in the ways that they need to be supported as well, as this continues to create a larger impact on our state.
For Mandela, protocols are still very strict in care facilities. She has to show a negative COVID test, but with that, she's allowed to spend time with Frank again.
And if you are a caregiver and you're looking for support, the Alzheimer's Association helpline is available 24/7. The number's on your screen. It's 800-272-3900, and it is completely free. Specialists and master's level clinicians are there to offer confidential support to anyone who needs it.